Like, I'm looking at the market, I'm analyzing everything. This looks like every other day I've been flat. Why am I gonna sit here? We don't retest the fucking VWAP till fucking 1 o'clock in the damn afternoon. And these are the lower quality double breaks.
Okay, you're tripping balls. This thing is only like 12 points away from VWAP. We could definitely get a play today.
Maybe. I'm just saying, it looks like all the other days that we did. We definitely could, but
Yeah, no,
it
it's been a
doesn't. This doesn't look
frustrating
like this looks
week.
like another low quality day. Is what I'm getting at.
Yeah, it's been a frustrating, it's been a slow week. And I think the week has got you a little emo right now, and it's showing.
I mean, I was feeling good to start with, but as soon as I saw the VWAP exit the range, I'm like, well, my session's done. Like that, and I felt like that ever since.
Got you.
I mean, we've gone nowhere in 30 minutes. We had a huge, we have this big ass fucking pump, and then we go nowhere for like that shit annoys me. I know that's just the market. I just hate one move and then chop, and that's what we've had pretty much all fucking week. Really, like all of June. It's just or July. I mean, it's really been a shitty ass month of price action. Double break has paid, but it's been shitty. I'm not,
Damn,
I'm not complaining.
someone's emo this morning.
Yeah, bro, because the fucking double break ain't happening, man. And then I'm realizing that like it's I have to learn like another strategy as well. And I haven't been taking the double break or sorry, I haven't been taking the break and retest well. So I'm not confident. And it like for me it's almost like I'd rather just not look at this dog shit. Like I'm glad you came on, bro, because honestly I was probably gonna wrap up, bro, just so I don't get induced to do anything stupid.
Well, Rikini, hello to you too. Hello to you too. Yeah, sorry, chat. Sorry, I'm a little late. No excuses. I had my alarm set. I wake up and it says it's like 7:30. I'm like, what the hell? Like, how am I an hour and a half behind my alarm? Well, I check my phone and which I had plugged in, by the way. I guess it wasn't charging. I didn't have it plugged in all the way to the wall or something. I don't know. The thing was dead. Alarm didn't go off. I had plenty of issues. I apologize. Seems like we didn't miss an A plus setup. So selfishly, that makes me feel a little bit good because
I'm glad.
I
I'm glad you got your sleep, bro. I said that. I was like, maybe you're gonna miss a bad market today.
that is the best time to miss a trading session. I hate when I miss it and it's like an A plus setup was there and you would have been done in 30 minutes. I'm like, God dang it. Like those are the tough days to miss.
I know. I was hoping. I was like, I hope you don't miss an easy day after yesterday. But
I know.
the trading gods were on your side today.
Yes, they were, but the streaming gods aren't because I can't see your screen on like on the stream. Maybe if I go to X and I yeah, so I can see it on X, but when I'm in StreamYard, it's so weird. It just has like a blank white screen.
I don't know, brother.
I know, I know. I don't think it's anything on your end. It's probably just like a software issue or something, but it's fine. I don't need to see your beautiful face on the StreamYard. I can just go to X if I need to see
Bro,
our
this is the one day I want you to see my beautiful face because I have lighting now, bro. I ordered some lights a couple days ago and they came in, so I set them up today.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Can you? Well, you can barely see me. I was gonna say, can you tell? Does like my camera quality look a little better?
Well, when I go on X, it does look a little bit better. Chat, Regini, and Cam, is my audio quality any different today?
It was when you first joined, but it's fine now that you've been here for a little bit.
Okay. Is it better than normal?
No,
It's not better than normal?
no.
Really? Okay, because I got the Blue Yeti mic plugged in and working now. I was having issues with it before, so the audio really isn't any better with the mic.
I I don't notice it. I don't notice it. I thought your audio was fine before. I thought you
Yeah,
had great audio, to be honest.
got you, got you. Okay, so my audio has been good. It hasn't been an issue. Regini said it's
Exactly.
fine. Okay, well,
Exactly. Yeah. Like,
yeah, Regini just cleared the air,
if anything,
so
I thought it like you were having a little bit of audio issues today.
lovely. The $100-something mic makes it decreases the value.
That's how it works, right?
Oh my god. Yeah, fuck out of here. I guess I'm just going back to my MacBook input, the speaker input for my audio because Cam said my audio is worse today with my look guys, I got the mic's all set up right here and it's been working.
No, it's not. It sounds good now. It was just when you had first joined. It sounded weird.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. I think I had to adjust the settings a little bit and now we're good. So if it sounds good now, I'm just gonna leave it alone
Yeah,
and
I would
let
leave it
the
how it is. It sounds good.
perfect.
I almost threw on a buy.
Oh gosh. Chat, don't even like cover your ears, Regini.
Look,
Cover your
look, bro.
ears.
We're bullish. We're not
Okay,
gonna
yes,
retest the
you're right
VWAP.
about that. We are
I want to
bullish.
make money.
I know, but you gotta be patient. This is not our trade. You gotta wait, bro.
Our trade is not presenting today.
Here, let me give the chat some news, or not news, but just little quick updates so that maybe that'll distract you. Uh, I I paused or canceled for now my TradeZilla subscription, so I only have a few more days with my TradeZilla. I did a mass export. I gathered with Zilla AI as much info and data as I possibly could for my trading this year, and I put it all into a Google Doc. Now, today, starting today, I can like be working with Claude on it because I thought, why am I spending $50 a month right now when I kind of need that subscription money to go into another subscription? So I thought I can use Claude to journal and log a lot of this data. If it has like a 6-month head start from the way that TradeZilla tracks data and explains things, if I have it export all that data and give that to Claude, Claude should be able to learn how to do the same thing Zilla AI is doing. So I gave a bunch of data to Claude, and Claude created a trade journal and logging platform for me where I can gather like metrics and data. It'll like start tracking things like hold time, date, direction, review of the trade, like did it work, did it fail, and I can see like the metrics. I can change it for like this week, last week, all time, or do a custom range. So anyway, Claude's got some cool stuff, you guys. I'm gonna try. I'll keep you guys updated on how I like the manual system instead of using Zilla AI. What do you think of that, Cam?
I think you're making the right decision. Claude is so powerful, bro, and also
I
like paying
know.
$50 for Zella AI, bro. Like, there's so many other workarounds. I
I know.
canceled
I was
mine
like,
last week.
that's like an eval right there. I could buy myself
Yeah,
an
literally,
account.
bro. Like, and honestly, I'm glad that I'm doing that because that $50 I was spending on TradeZella, I'm now gonna spend on X.
Oh, good. And X isn't that expensive, bro. If you get like I got like a deal for my first 6 months or something, it's like $5 or $7. Like, no, I think normally it's 8. I think right now I get 50%. I think it's $4 or $5 a month for my X subscription. It's not bad at all, Cam. All right, gang. Do you think we're gonna get a little push down to New York VWAP here and we can settle Cam down?
Bro, I want to throw on the fucking long. Like,
If we get a pullback to New York, would you look for a break and retest if we find support?
no, that's why I'm not taking the long because I want the short. I like, bro. That's why I'm like so freaking like emotional right
Emo?
now, bro. Because like I can't accept what I'm seeing on the chart because I want something else to happen. If I could
Regini,
accept the longs were in, I'd already had been in the longs, but I can't. I can't make the fucking switch.
Antoine, calling Antoine Regini and KWalk87, calling anyone I possibly can in the chat. Can we get some therapist recommendations for Cam in the chat here? He might need to speak to a professional with all these emotions he's bottling up.
Yeah, you're not
Regini
wrong,
says,
but
Cam, calm. Thank you, Regini. Antoine, can you send him a couple their contacts? Cam, if you are green this week, then staying flat makes you staying profitable on the week. Regini said, yeah. K-Walk said, LOL, I'm just as effed up as Cam
see,
right
I'm
now,
gonna ride with
bro.
this energy right now.
Okay,
Okay, like
K-Walk.
fuck
K-Walk,
all
we
that
need to
positive
get
shit.
you a
Okay, I started the
professional.
stream positive. Fuck that shit now. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
K-Walk, don't buy into this bull crap. We have, instead of Trader Cam this morning, we have Emo Cam with
Oh,
us
you
this
know,
morning.
I haven't tried that. You know, maybe I should go take 5 real quick.
You can try and drink.
Dude, I heard fucking. Did you see Evan's reel that he made yesterday?
For the discount code?
No, the one where it was just Austin talking.
Uh-uh.
I'm gonna play it. It's fucking hilarious, dude. Oh my god. I cannot wait till we get Austin on stream. That motherfucker is so funny.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so the title says just a morning with ASFX stream.
Hi, everybody. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. So I'm in at 48, and I got to stop at 23. Might as well grab me by the dick and call me baby next time, dude. Hey, yo, what the fuck? Jesus Christ. I got long, my stop's at 41. If I miss this double break after a nice higher low, 2 touches off an overnight VWAP, cut my dick off and shove it down my throat. What did you say? Come on. I've been sunning my butthole, so I reset my circadian rhythm. So we're gonna be fine. I'll bang you all day left and right, bro. What do you mean by that? And I'm closing my futures here too.
Like, bro's just wild. Like, bro's just.
What do you mean by that?
Like, bro, I couldn't believe the shit that I was hearing on my feed yesterday, bro.
Hey, we're getting that push to New York. Here we go, chat. Let's see.
Well, I'm glad I didn't throw on that random ass long.
Yeah. This would be a better spot to go long from if we get some support here, but There is 20 points in between my VWAPs, so it's not necessarily a sandwich today. They're all in opening range, which isn't ideal, as we know. But double break's been powerful. If we get a break below New York, I'm taking the double break short with Cam. If we find support and we start to bounce, I am gonna test the longs.
I'm gonna be patient with my entry.
Antoine said if we break it, could flush the rest of the day. Exactly. This hasn't, I mean, it's not a small break of opening range high either. Yeah, actually, it's like a 25-point break. No, the longs here. The longs here from 30. It's just the stop loss seems a little bit large. I don't know, chat. I don't know. The shorts would be easier for me to take.
Bro, my brain hurts. You're lucky.
That's not good.
It's good that you woke up late, bro, because I've been just trying to analyze this chop all morning, bro. I think that's why I'm like crashing out.
Makes sense.
I'm not just letting it happen. I'm trying, like Antoine said, like we're not trying to predict it, and I'm trying to predict what's happening.
Yeah, just let it play out, brother. You're good.
I don't know if I don't know. Do I want to play my box? Or do I want to play the bounce?
I'm waiting here, chat. Staying patient. Right now it's a 50-50.
Okay, so we actually touched the VWAP.
Yeah, we finally did actually touch it. I'm not jumping into a long though.
The
I wanna
VWAP
see
and
what
the
happens.
15-minute 200-day moving average are the same price. I don't know. I'm not taking the very first close below. I know that. Fuck.
There's the first close below.
If we get 2 bearish closes below, I will take it. Yo, what up,
same.
Luna? We got Luna trades in the building. This man's trying to get a payout. Let's fucking go.
What's good, Luna? Let's go.
Don't FOMO into anything like I'm gonna do. I damn near FOMO'd into like 5 trades today.
I'll be right back, gang.
Oh, fuck me. This is so hard. I don't know what I want to do. Antoine is short. 425. I mean, I don't hate it. I definitely don't hate it. I'm waiting for a setup, then we'll just aim for 12 risking bucks. Or even risking 60, I don't care as long as. I almost want to wait for the break and retest long and miss out on the shorts, but like, I don't know, bro. No trade is a trade. That is very true. Some days I like that, some days I don't. I don't know. Should we wait for a close into the opening range?
I heard a little bit of the panic from the background. Don't worry, bruh. Stay flat right now with me, because if this thing establishes back above New York, it'll look good for the longs. And if it's just going to continue to flush short, we'll break below previous day and overnight VWAP in about we're about 13 points away from those guys. So there'll be a short opportunity if the trend really is reversing back to bearish like it's been the last couple weeks. Just hang in here, Cam. Trust me here.
Yeah, it's probably better to just stay out for now. I don't know, like, I'm debating about taking the short if it closes into the opening range.
Okay, I don't hate that. I'm just saying here, for me, if it wants to continue to sell off, I'm fine taking a short below overnight and previous day VWAP, so that way I don't get caught in a double break short that isn't gonna play out. It could play out if you want to take the double break, you guys. It's still on the table. But if this thing finds support and reestablishes above New York VWAP, I'm going to be taking that long, and anyone who stayed flat is going to be happy that they stayed flat.
I'm short one mini.
Okay. Antoine said I'm in profit, but I don't know what to target. Target previous day and overnight VWAP. The price for that is 7408.5 or 08, but maybe front run it at 09. And then if it doesn't get down there and it gets back above New York, that's where you could cut it for a small loss. But I'd target 09, Antoine. Luna said, is the double break still good?
Entry.
Luna has a question. Is the double break still good even though VWAP left the opening range?
It is a lower probability. It still plays out, but as you've seen, we took 2 losses like this last week. That's why I was hesitant to enter on the first close below. I had to wait till we went to the opening range. And that's also why I'm only in 1 mini, as much as I want to throw 3 or 4 in. And Antoine, you were asking where to target. You could target 3 levels. You could target 09, which would be your safest bet because you got a fire entry at 25. If you target 09, that's really good. You could target the bottom of the wick fill zone, which is 07.25. You could target the overnight VWAP and the previous point of control between 03 and 02.
I say before all that, Antoine, I'd take it at 09 if I were you.
I can't believe I hesitated, bro.
Log it. Log it why you did.
I could have took Antoine's price and went 2 minis, and I'd probably have 2K.
You gotta try to get out of that mindset ASAP right now, bro. That's not a good mindset to have while you're trading. Yo, what's good, Ant? Antoine gonna take partials at key levels? Yeah, smart. Antoine, yeah, Cam, relax. Stay patient, my brother. See, you're chilling, Cam. You're in green. Don't fret it.
Later, Regini. Thanks for hanging out with us. And she said, "Stop making us wait so long, Chase." Even
Yes,
if that
ma'am.
phone's dead, you gotta know to wake up.
100%, Regini. No excuses. That's on me. I'll be on time tomorrow.
What's up,
I'll
Anthony?
see you tomorrow, Regini. Enjoy your dinner.
You are absolutely right about that, my brother. Talk about shorts is when I look at the 15-minute. Yep. I like that this candle engulfed the 15-minute. We didn't have a follow through after this, so
We're maybe finding support at previous day and overnight VWAP. Let's see. This is where why I was saying maybe 09 as your profit target. It tagged 09 and it's reversed off of it so far. For Antoine.
nice, Antoine. Good shit, bro. Luna, are you still here? Did you take any of the shorts and get that $12? Chase, you got static, bro.
Huh?
You got like a static or like a fan in the background.
All right. Is it like super loud?
Now I don't hear it. Now it's good.
All right. Bet. Good job, Antoine.
Okay, good 15-minute close. Good 15-minute close. If we close below previous days New York, I'm going to add in.
If we close below previous day and overnight VWAP. I might go short.
I added in. We are now 2 minis.
I'm still waiting here. Gonna see what happens.
I'm lowering my stop loss to 29.25. It could bounce. I wouldn't be surprised if we did.
Off those VWAPs right there.
Yep, all these levels in the box. I'm just hoping we get a flush. But I wouldn't be surprised if it bounced. Dang, that dropped my entry to 411.
All right, I'm taking the long, chat.
Damn.
I got long at 11.75. We're getting a little pump bullish here. See if we can't get a little follow through maybe.
Okay, so I should have entered on the first take of the VWAP and then added in on the first close in the range. That was how to maximize it. I took my steps wrong. So I'm probably going to lose this trade now. Fuck. Because we're going to find support there, of course.
All right. I'm going to try to hold for full take profit at 22.75 here.
You're targeting the VWAP?
Yeah, I'm going to try to front run it, but let's see. It's pushing back down right now. What are we thinking, Cam?
I'm not sure. I am just analyzing this trade. And I'm comparing it to the other double breaks that were like this. And I'm still gathering thoughts.
The take profit, I think, was at 09 or 08, you know? At those VWAPs.
Antoine, you made money today, my guy. Just feel good about that. You got a fantastic fucking price, bro. You played the probability better than anybody, at least that has said anything. So you played it to the best possible way. You took the first close below the VWAP. We were chopping. We didn't have any type of bullish continuation, and you went for it. That's kind of why I'm beating myself up, because I hesitated. I couldn't read the market. You read the market well, bro. So feel good about reading it well. This was also a tough day. This isn't a normal double break. So at least you made some money, bro. At least you didn't pull a cam and add in and lower your price 9 points.
Well, hey, it's looking good for you right now.
You're emotional from your exit, which means you're emotional low-key from the get-go. Because if you were feeling like you wanted to take profit, that means you were starting to doubt your trade. So feel good that you secured profits. Because I always say this, if you're gonna break even your trade, you should just take full profit the second that you do it. So if you break even and you get a little bit of money from that break even, that's a W. Even if it does fully reverse. I kind of did full port. When I added in, my fucking stop loss was at 2K.
Did you really?
I mean, it was at 2, because it lowered my fucking entry so high, so I lowered my stop loss to mitigate risk.
Oh, phew. I like this rejection off the VWAPs back into profit. Oh, nice.
Fuck.
Fade Cam in the chat. Can I get a hashtag fade Cam? If we get 5 more points to the buy side, we are max take profit for the day on my account.
Bro, this market fucking sucks, and I fucking traded bad today. I should have just ended the fucking stream when I wanted to end the stream. I'm doing that shit next time.
Nah, you should have just gone long.
I'm doing that shit next time. I wanted to walk away and I fucking didn't. I'm doing that shit next time.
I told you to wait. I said, wait, we'll get either a short or a long later in the session. Like, this was a good VWAP.
Bro, but I traded bad because I wasn't feeling good.
I got you.
That is the problem. I wanted to walk away and I didn't, and I did dumb shit because of it.
And you're trader Cam, so if I'm locked in, you don't want to just follow what I'm doing. You want to do your own trading.
I was emotional before I entered the trade. I shouldn't have traded. I should have walked away. I was getting frustrated with the price action. I was getting frustrated that I couldn't read the market. And now I'm looking at my trade like this shit is dumb. Why the fuck did I add in? Because I didn't put enough risk on there when I entered the first time. Because I didn't take the original price I should have taken. All these things are causing me to have emotions and tilt and crash out.
Well, I don't like this candle. It just
I think I'm gonna take
completely.
a piece of my own pie. If we get a little bit of profit, bro, I think I'm just gonna take it and eat my own words, bro, because I'm struggling in this trade. I would rather just sit here and not be emotionally tied to the market right now. This shit sucks, bro. Like the price action. I'm not handling it well.
What's your average price now?
74.11, bro. I dropped it 9 points adding in.
Oh,
So I feel like a dumbass.
I see.
And then the chop is fucking with my mind.
Yeah, I'm not liking this. It's trying to break the previous day and overnight VWAP to the sell side here. Because it could go target opening range low at 7399.
We've got 2 more minutes on this 15-minute candle. I'm pretty much holding for that.
Yeah, this is not looking good. I'm cutting 5 of these 10 micros because I can always add back in.
So the original take profit that I had at 02 just hit. But I dropped it in the trade to the bottom of the opening range.
Damn.
I did that a while ago, but I'm just noting that.
I see, I see.
I took it. I'm good. And there we go to 01. I took it, chat. I took it. I'm happy, man.
Good work, G.
I survived. I survived. That is what I look like when I get off my rocker.
You might have taken it at a good price too.
So we added 1,030 to it. So I'm happy with that.
Good shit, Doug.
And I learned something. I got some good annotation from my trades. So. And full take profit would have got hit, chat. But as Austin Silver teaches, you grab your nut. Because we totally could have bounced. And I was already feeling on edge. So I'll leave the $300 for another day. And that's why it's important to log these things, right? Because there's a difference between exiting your own trade because you're feeling uneasy versus exiting your trade because you think the price action is telling you to, and then actually letting it hold because you have confidence in the trade. I have no doubt that double breaks always go to the other side of the range, but because this is a lower quality one and I was crashing out, I couldn't do it.
All right, here we go, chat. Keep pumping
Are you
bullish
still
for
in?
me.
I can put your screen on there, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Let me share my screen.
Ann said, "Don't worry, I've seen worse. Nowhere near off your." Yo, this man has seen my worst crash out. That's so true. Oh man, I think it's so people how crazy. Like, it's crazy how people can change.
Right.
Because man, if you like, if Ant were to tell some of the stories he's seen him, you're gonna be like, this guy, yeah, this guy. It gets like that. But not anymore though. Like I've actually like put work into bettering my mental health, bettering my personality, becoming a good person, and
Good, bro.
that's why I'm able to like be a better person now because I've actually put time into loving myself instead of trying to get that from women or friends or I have to build my own love.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, come on.
Where's your let me see. Where's your stop loss at?
It's a little bit lower. It's at 397 or 98. But
Oh,
if
so
we
it
get,
dismissed you. Nice.
yeah, I wanted to give opening range a little breathing room. But
Okay.
if we,
Why did so you like taking the trays off of the overnight in the previous day?
well, when they're inside opening range with New York, like this
So
was the better.
you don't care to fight New York. Like that's not a like where New
Well,
York you are,
it's
that
not
doesn't matter.
it's not like ideal to fight New York, but I like using New York as a magnet as well for price to come back to.
Okay, I can see that. If this trade does not hit your take profit, I want you to stop trying to fight the VWAP.
Well, no, I should have taken profit here. That was my issue.
Oh, when we got near opening range.
Yeah, I don't know what. I was just trying to
Oh, I
hold
mean,
for full take profit. I needed like a 1.5 more.
that would have been the safer. That's the same thing as me being like I should have taken the profit at previous point of control, which I mean I ended up doing, but I think it's the same thing. It could have went to the VWAP. It could have went to the opening range low.
Exactly. This is a tough one because now it's finding resistance possibly at overnight and previous day. So I'd like to see it flush through those two.
You know what's crazy, bro?
What's that?
I added in a mini, right? To make $1,300. I walked away with 1,000, but my original take profit at the previous point of control with one mini from 74.20 was $820. So I went through all that extra shit for an extra $180.
Damn. That is not the move, brother. Kind of like I could say the same thing for my problem today. Like it is not worth it for me to not at least take good partials off here. Like, that makes 0 sense. All right, I like this run. Maybe we can keep going.
Bro, I feel drained.
Good, bro. Choppy market conditions right now.
That boy making toaster strudels. Damn, I want one. I'm hungry as fuck. What'd you say, Chase?
Super choppy.
Yeah, it's been like that all freaking day. I remember that day you lost your keys. Oh man, yeah, that was fucked.
See here.
At
I
least
will
you're
have
holding.
to. Huh?
At least you're holding.
Yeah. No, I don't see. Like, obviously, I'm tempted to flip this short, but
No.
it's chopping so much that if I flip short and then it ends up going long, I don't want that on my emotional.
I don't think you should focus on trades so far away from the VWAP. You see how much extra drawdown I incurred from adding in and lowering my entry to 11?
Yeah, true.
If you want a long, long at the VWAP. Or if you want a short, short at the VWAP. Because not only did you buy, like, I like that you were using the levels to buy, but like, you're away from the VWAP. So you're fading it. You're fading trend. And then I personally don't use the previous day. That's not really anything. Overnight, yes, you can. It's more like a magnet, but just because we bounce off of it doesn't mean we're not going to come crash through it, because the weight of the direction comes from where we are above or below New York. That's how Austin Silver teaches it. And that's proven to be more profitable. I think he was ripping Randy on stream today because he was fighting VWAP. Yeah, I gotta watch their stream. I saw somebody in the BS say that there was some banter going back and forth. So those are the most entertaining days when they're going at it.
Yeah, I know. That's so funny.
Yeah, bro, you definitely can't fade the VWAP whenever we have Austin on stream. He's gonna rip you.
I know. Yeah, I'll log this regardless.
You've done it a couple times. I see your better longs and shorts come when you're on the right side of the VWAP, even if it is a little bit further away, just from the time that you and I have spent together.
Yeah, true. True. No, this was definitely a good trading session. Learning regardless from this trade. That's how we got to take losses, is take them healthy, no tilt, and log and learn from it.
Now, if you were to short like right now, still risky, but it's better than fighting trend.
Right.
If it was your first trade, like a short, I would like that opposed to the long.
Right.
Or like if you took the first break of opening range low. Because if we break that, we're probably going to go back to the value area. You could probably target value area low, which is at 390.
Gotcha.
But you could almost get 10 points out of that. The only reason I don't think that we're totally bullish is because we didn't have any continuation.
Right.
And I was talking to the chat about the dollar before you got on stream. Look at that. Okay, cool. I'm going to put myself back on real quick. All right. So I said, I was wondering, why are we shooting up? I didn't know why. We had CPI. I noticed that the dollar was going down. And I had said that before I pulled up the chart. I was like, when the dollar goes down, the stocks go up in inverse. So we have the big sell candles right here, right? And I said, if we hold above this level right here, 42, buyers will step in on the dollar and sellers should step in on the indices. And look what happened. We went up and then the indices sold off. This is something that one of my mentors when I was trading Forex and indices taught me.
Okay.
It doesn't always work, but on days like today where I was looking for a specific type of answer because of news, seeing that the divergence was in play gave me confidence to at least want to still be a seller in the market.
Got you.
So as long as sellers are below the VWAP on the dollar and we start going back down below 642 and then we hold below 642, your long has a chance.
We'll see here. It's definitely not looking good. It's pretty close to my stop loss. It's just edging my stop at this point. Because every time it finds support off opening range low, but then it just comes right back down to it. So I'm like getting a little tired of this trade.
Well, you almost hit your stop loss, so you may as well hold on for the full take profit, right? That's kind of what I did for my trade.
Yeah, for real.
All right, chat. So tomorrow we're gonna full port the eval to pass it.
Let's go.
We need $1,800. I can do that. So we'll probably
Let's full port the eval tomorrow. I like it.
because so the thing about the Lucid Flex is you get all of your drawdown in the eval phase, right? So once you cross 103,100, your minimum balance goes to 100K and 100. So
damn,
I have $4,200 of drawdown to use. I'm gonna use that shit.
right.
So I don't care to take a $2,000 loss tomorrow to pass my account. To me, that's still risking half my account. Even though the dollar amount went up, it's still the same risk.
Right.
And if I had better entries today and I was more controlled and not crashing out, I probably would have had a $2,000 day today and been able to have a $1,000 day tomorrow and be more chill about it. That's honestly how I wanted it to go. But I couldn't keep myself together.
Cam, here we go. Cam's just yapping up a storm again. Keep yapping though, Cam, because the longs have tried to step in since you started yapping.
I haven't been much of a yapper today, bro. I was kind of quiet because you weren't here. I was struggling to analyze the market. Like, I think that's kind of why like the emo-ness started to seep in, bro. 'Cause I didn't have your energy here to keep me balanced out.
That was definitely on me. That was on me.
You literally came in at the perfect time, bro. Cause shit, I know I said I wanted to walk away, and I should have walked away.
Were you gonna start going on tilt? Here we go. Come on, longs. Come on, longs.
Yo, the yap session's working. Let's go. Are we both gonna take a W today, bro?
Follow the fuck through, longs. Come on.
Look at that, bro. It almost hit your stop loss, bro. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, bro. Are you gonna target the opening range high?
Oh yeah, baby. We ain't pulling our target now. We thought we were fucking full red on the day, and now I am all the way back in green. So
yeah, this is a nice candle.
This is a very nice candle.
Hopefully we get some follow through.
Some follow through would be lovely. Where's the previous day point of control?
O2.
Sounds good.
Later, Antoine. Don't beat yourself up today, bro. You did good. Let's go, dude. Let's fucking go, dude. Come on. Give us 7 points. Give us 7 points.
Ha! You tell it. You tell her, Cam.
What? Bam! Whip! Lash! Smack!
Let's go. We took 2 micros off,
Good shit.
just for risk management purposes. But I took them off before these sellers stepped in. Let's see. I took them off at 15, so I got a good price on those. But let's see if buyers can hold up here.
I don't think the market liked me assaulting it.
No, it didn't. It pushed back off of that.
Yeah. I am not daddy. My bad, bro. I got too aggressive.
You gotta chill off that.
Yeah, I gotta chill.
Had a 9-point bearish candle there.
We asked for 7, it gave us 9.
Exactly, in the wrong direction.
That's not funny, but fuck. We got 6 minutes left on the 15-minute candle, so if
As
your
long
take
as we
profit's
can-
gonna hit, it will probably hit in the next 15-minute candle.
Yeah, exactly. I'm hoping that we can get a little bullish pop here off these VWAPs.
Bro, I had 8 viewers on my YouTube today before you joined.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, bro. And I should be having my first lady guest on in the next 2 weeks. I met her at boot camp and she trades options. I think she trades futures too, but she's more of an options gal for sure. And
Nice.
we always have good trading talk, so I figured one, that'd be good for views, you know, get a lady in there, and then 2, probably be entertaining, you know.
Definitely.
All right, I like that we got back above the overnight or previous day for you.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm starting to hear my echo again, brother.
Oh shit, I think it's when I touch the mic. What about now?
Yo, 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 yo. Okay, yeah, we're good. I'm gonna go warm up some breakfast, and I'll just chill and eat while your trade runs out, bro. If you wanna keep streaming, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get off pretty soon, actually.
You gonna get off soon? What time are you getting off?
Well, I should get off in the next like 20 minutes. Are you gonna be back within 20?
Yeah, I'm gonna just go warm up my food and bring it back and eat on stream.
All right, bet. Here, you want to put me on screen?
Yeah, share your screen. Do you like the light, bro? I got 2 of them.
I do like the new light. Looks good.
I'm hoping for my YouTube videos it adds a dope effect to it.
All right. Am I back on screen?
You're on screen, brother.
All right, chat. We're kind of filtering in consolidation right now, hoping for a little bit more bullish push. I took a little bit off at 15. If we get up here, I'll take some more off. I'd rather secure green on a crazy trade like this. This has been tough on the mental, chat. All right, getting a little bullish momentum here. If we can get a pop up to 20, I'll take 5 off at 20. The market's literally edging me today, guys. Oh, I think we tapped 20. Oh, here we go. Here we go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. 365 on the day. We'll take it. This is the trade journal I was talking about. So entry time, let's see here. And also copy this link. Maybe if I go copy image, let's see how that looks. No? Okay. Then we'll copy the link. Okay. Entry time was 8:03 a.m. 8:03 a.m. This is cool. We took a long, this was a non-A activity. As Cam was saying, I don't like these trades too far away from New York, to be honest. Hold time was 42 minutes. P&L was 365. Win. Core rules reminder. I like this. I like this. Okay, so review. What worked? Holding with a larger stop. Choppy price conditions worked well. Cutting half of size and then adding back. What failed? Entering farther away from New York VWAP. Volume of, oh wow, it's really pushing bullish. I'm glad I'm out all the way though, because with opening range high as our target here, we already were getting like over 10 points. We were getting 11, 12 points on this trade. I could have seen this thing sweep opening range high. Look at how it just swept opening range low and it used it as resistance every time. So I was concerned that this could be used as support. So I am happy to just take green on the day, especially with the week that we've had. It's been a slow week. It's been small red. I like getting back above the 50K mark on the trading account, back into net green on the account is nice.
That's what I'm fucking talking about. This is what I like to see.
Okay, volume of the break of
How did you do, bro?
opening
Walk me through it.
range was large, bigger than opening range.
How'd you do, bro? Did you hit
Bigger
full TP?
break and retest long.
Hello?
Double break short.
Can you hear me, fool?
Actually worked here though.
This man can't hear me.
Say it's more of a chop day.
Can you hear me now?
And then, so this thing's gonna start tracking these metrics for me. So yeah, this
Yo.
is pretty cool, guys. You can have Claude create this.
Dang, bro.
So let's see
that sucks.
here if we've got anything in the chat. No, okay. Just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. All right, you guys. Well, the trade ended up working out, but definitely not our A+ setup. Join the Chill Zone Discord if you haven't already, guys. I post and Cam posts like all of our trades and updates in here. There's gonna be Cam's doing a account giveaway from Top 1 Futures, free account. If you join the Discord, so pretty easy. You just join Discord for free, and then you could get a free account. Good risk reward on that. Trade ended up playing out, but not my best entry.
Yeah, I know, bro. This man can never hear me,
Far
bro.
from New York.
It's because he's got a Mac.
Green 365.
He just be ignoring me, bro. He just hops on stream to fade me and then get off. I swear. I'm gonna make a reel out of this too, because he can't even hear me right now.
All right, so yeah, I like this new trade journal. So toying around with that, and then here I also.
That's good. I just
Oh,
named
you
it
know
over to
what?
trade.
I almost forgot to
Nothing.
log it here. Overnight and previous day VWAP. So even though I won today, still logging that this isn't my best entry and I need to get better for tomorrow. I would have liked actually, you guys, this short better when we got a strong close below New York VWAP. And I think Cam was kicking himself for not getting in at this price too. This was a really good price to get in for the short because we had nothing but buyers, even though what I was talking about on my journal with the break of opening range being 24 points and opening range only being check this out, opening range was only 23 points. So that normally favors break and retest. And we have had trendy conditions this week where like yesterday, like it was just all sellers before FOMC, right? I guess we had a minor pullback here, but really this whole time, our whole trading session, it was nothing but sellers. That was yesterday. So I can see why today we were thinking maybe nothing but buyers, right? Get back maybe to yesterday's high, and we still might get back to yesterday's high. I wouldn't bet on it. I would say maybe tomorrow with a Friday, if we're gonna go take yesterday's high and then weekly high is only 40 points above that, maybe. But because if we zoom out like big picture, you guys, look at this. If we zoom out, sorry, this has so many levels, so it's very ugly chart. But maybe if we here we go. So look at this. We're still bullish on the daily, like higher time frame. If we zoom out, we're still bullish, you guys. We're making higher highs and higher lows. Now this structural low was taken out yesterday. And if we just go down a little bit to the 1 hour time frame, like July for the most part has been fairly bearish. Even since really since middle of June, we've been fairly bearish here. But I just wanted to remind you guys, because I reminded myself yesterday when I zoomed out, this is why we can't be afraid of long still, because look at this. Now, could we obviously go down here? Of course we could. But I think there's also a fair probability we continue bullish. It's hard betting against the bullish trend in these Trump markets, right, you guys? See if there's anything in the chat. I stayed out completely today. What platform do you guys prefer for testing? For back testing, TradingView works well because I already paid the subscription for TradingView for like my data to trade, like the live CME data. It's like $7 a month, and then the basic plan is like 15. So I spent like 20 some bucks a month on TradingView, so this works. TradeZella has a good backtesting thing, but that's a little bit more pricey. And I was just going over how Claude can make one of these pretty cool journals for you that has everything at least that I need. So yeah, we've got this 1 hour candle is still looking strong. Cam, I see you in the chat. We caught the W, Cam. We're up 365 on the day. We got out where we planned on getting out at opening range high. Just in case, because we weren't sure if this thing was going to find resistance, off of New York VWAP, and I was so sick and tired of. I was in that trade for like 42 minutes. I got in green, good green for the day. I was done.
Nah, I feel you on that, bro.
Oh, now I can hear you.
What?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Bet.
I couldn't hear you at all. You were back?
Yeah, bro, I came back and I'm gonna make a reel about it because I was talking and you couldn't hear me.
Hey, do you like my long though? I took that dub.
Yeah, bro. Dude, I came back and I started clapping and I didn't realize you couldn't hear me. Bro, fuck yeah, dude. Bro.
I needed that. I got back on green, overall net on the account. Start pushing towards another payout next week. But I was telling chat, you probably heard this, you were probably back. I like this double break short, actually. I would have, I put that in my journal that I like this trade bet. I don't like this long in the future. It just happened to win this time, but I don't want to make it a habit to have that as an entry.
I think it's like a 50-50 double break. Like when it's
exactly.
like
it's like trading the opening range, It's like, why do it?
Yeah, exactly. Like it's a lower probability. It's not that it can't happen. It's just you have to have a better understanding of the price action or just accept that it's a low quality double break. And
100%.
That's what caused me to hesitate on my entry and take it at 20 in the first close into the opening range. So good job, bro. Like, I'm glad you caught a W. It was.
I know. I'm glad
market. So
both of us. We at first it was like easy green. For you, it was so easy because you were like, "Oh, I got in late on the New York VWAP close. I got in a few minutes late because you waited for it to get below opening range high." And then that shot in profit. So you got so confident you added in, ended up costing you a lot of mental capital, even though it ended up playing out and working out that you added in, it almost stopped you out. Then for me, I got in and I was like a 1.5 for my take profit, and I should have taken profit, but I didn't. And then it came all the way down. It was like 2 points for my stop. So both of us we used a lot of mental energy today that we didn't need to go through. We went through a lot of emotions that weren't necessary. And both of them, luckily, it ended up, this is a rare example, chat, of where it ended up working out green for two different scenarios. You saw two different scenarios live where it wasn't handled as good as me and Cam can trade. Neither of us would walk away from this session being like, oh, I was locked the fuck in. But both of us walked away green. So that is a rare example. It normally doesn't work out like that.
I think that you summed up our trading session very well, bro. Because there are times where, last week was a good example of seeing the double break outside of the opening range. We took it. Well, I took it twice and it lost twice. I still took it today, just waited for some confirmation. But just the fact of me even knowing that it's a low probability trade, like fucked with my mind on top of the choppiness. So I think I learned a lot today. And then Chase also learned a lot in his session too. You know, he realized that maybe he may not want to fight the New York VWAP as much, but at the same time, it's okay to go through with your intuition and what you see on the chart because it can work out. That's trading. There's nobody's always right all the time. There is no one way. So I think we both did good today, bro. And you know what else, bro? Is you held for full take profit, right?
Exactly.
We both held for pretty much full take profit. I know I didn't, but I was okay with exiting just below the previous point of control because that was my original analysis. I dropped it to the opening range low to get greedy. So I'm okay with a manual exit because we at least hit my profit target. So I think we did good holding for the max amount of what the market was going to give us. And I like that you shaved off 2 micros because even if
Right.
it's reverse, at least you got some profit. So
Exactly. And
did
limiting
good
the
analyzing
downside.
today.
It limits the loss, then less volume on the trade if it did come back down into red. If I have to cut for a small in a little bit of red, then it's less contracts I'm cutting in red as well.
Exactly. Yep. We tried to manage our risk the best that we could, knowing that we weren't doing our best trading and that the market wasn't in the best conditions itself. And the fact that we came out green, we should just feel good about that and come back with good energy tomorrow.
All right, you guys. Cam, I'm messaging you separately on some stuff like getting like the clips and whatnot sent over to me. So check out your Discord. But I gotta hop off stream. I gotta get ready for work.
All right.
Ant said he's just running the show at this point. Yeah, exactly. And I secretly could just hear Cam the whole time, and I was just ignoring him. It was a whole act so I can just run the show. I love it, Ant. The chat was freaking funny today. Regini's always there, but the chat was fucking funny today.
We had a really interactive chat today.
I joined and I noticed the chat. I was like, damn, I missed a good chat. But hey,
The chat was there for me today.
And that's the perfect, yeah, exactly. I left you hanging, so you needed the chat. Tomorrow, I promise you, my phone is gonna be on the fucking charger tonight, and I'm gonna be up and at 'em. You're gonna be like getting a call from me at like 6:20, and you're like, bro, I'm not ready to start the stream yet.
Bet.
What's it called? Ant, perfect way to end the stream. You saying that I just wanted to run the show. I said, fuck Cam. I'm gonna act like I can't hear him and just run this thing.
Hey, bro, until you joined, I had the most viewers on this show.
Oh, and then I joined and it dropped.
Yeah, bro. So,
bro, get out of here.
They either hate
so
you.
Many viewers, get the fuck out of here.
They either hate you or everybody's just going to your stream.
Oh, true.
I haven't figured out which one it is yet.
No, I didn't. This was my least on X today, and that's what I get for waking up late. I think I only had like 4 on X or 3, something like that. But that's what I get. So, hey, you guys join the Chill Zone Discord. I gotta go, but good. Yeah, Ant wasn't. You know what? Everyone should have been in cams. My stream. I don't deserve the view count with the tardiness. But hey, good trading, you guys. If you were flat, if you were small green, big green like Cam, good work, and we'll be back tomorrow.
Yep. We'll end it on a good note tomorrow. So good job, Chase. Good job, chat. Hit us up on Discord or on Instagram.
Yes, sir. It's just my name on IG, my first and last name, and same thing with X. All right. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
All right, guys. Peace out, everyone.